Hello and welcome to our community dedicated to the Thuan nuclear plant project. I am Valery Kosenko, and in this video I will tell you about our initiative. Today I want to introduce a unique tool I developed for our collective research, a PEST analysis of the project viewed through the lens of spiral dynamic theory in action. This tool is a table with the following 9 columns. Hash, row number in the table. Hash PEST, unique PEST criterion number. PEST criteria, the name of this unique PEST criterion. URL of PEST source, URL of the data source, on the basis of which the unique PEST criterion was formulated. PEST stage by spiral dynamics, the name of the stage of development according to the theory of spiral dynamics, which corresponds to the given PEST criterion. Risk identification on the intersection of PEST criteria contains PEST criteria codes, and the name of the risk that has been identified. Influence power of risk. Assessment of the influence power of the risk impact on the project on a 5-point scale. 5 is maximum power. Risk stage by spiral dynamics contains text, names, and color images of the spiral dynamic stages of those PEST criteria at the interaction of which the risk is identified. For example, P001 is blue, blue, blue. E001 orange, blue, orange. And the last column, author's LinkedIn profile, contains URL in the LinkedIn social network of the author of the PEST criterion and risk. English is the default language for this table. Thanks for Google Translate formulas, I made an additional 24 tables for the most common languages. The list of languages has hyperlinks configured for quick access to the table with the corresponding languages. In the lower left corner, there is an icon All Sheets, where you can quickly find a table in the language you need. Important. Permissions are only view, but this Google Sheet is publicity available for everyone to download. I invite everyone to join in building the PEST analysis and risk identification for the 921 nuclear plant project. Share your insights in your native language by filling out this form. Political criteria, economic criteria, social criteria, technological criteria, risk identification on the intersection of PEST criteria, your LinkedIn profile URL. All responses are automatically sent without censorship to the tab Form Response 1. Periodically, I will analyze the responses from the form and transfer them to the basic table in English, and the translation into the other 24 languages will be done automatically. The first line above each language table will always remind you of the invitation to become a co-author of this collective research. I invite you, building knowledge, sharing value, co-authoring the future.